Good morning, design homies. How you doing? It's Friday morning, and this is our last day of the project. Unless I log in tomorrow and do like an hour on a profile page or something, but today should be relatively quick. We've got most everything in place for us. What we are gonna do is much like we did over here, change the colors of all of these similar color prompts so that when we cycle through them with the generate, it looks like it's generating new prompts and new backgrounds and everything. So we just have to finish changing those colors. We also need to, I don't think we've done this yet. We need to set this up in the same way we set this one up, and then go through and kind of tweak the other stuff. So easy peasy, easy peasy. Let's dive in. Let's go. So we're gonna grab this guy. Need to find the color change layer, and then fill it. So let's go backwards then. Do that. Okie doke. Let's see here. What was the next one? That one? Sure. Then got a lot of these to do. Quite a few. That was like that color. Let's come over here. Like, that's not the right color. There we go. Alrighty. Grab that one and switch it over to like that. That's good. We like it. Then sheesh. What color should we make it? Maybe a light pink. Alright. And then lastly, on this marketing section, let's do that. On to branding. Bring these colors over here. Alright. Let's go. Sheesh. That one's good. And then not fill. No, that's not what I meant. Need to drop this, get color change. That's what we're looking for. And then, let's see, over here maybe? Although if we go over there, it's gonna be a problem. It won't be, but... we have that now. Color change, yep. Yep. So put that there. All right, moving right along. Let's see, what was I doing? Color change on that, yes. And then we want deep blue. I don't know if that one's really our best. We'll go with that purple. It's fine. It's fine, all right? Where's my coffee at? We can drink coffee at the same time. Yep. Yeah, we can. Yes, we can. We have those. Let's throw that one over there. I think I can do it better with coffee in my hands, actually. Then, last one. Let's pick like that dirty red. A little bit inaccessible with that black font, I think, but it's all right. You can read it. It's just there's a couple colors like that in here. Okay, so now we need to make the marketing side let's see here. Is this what I want to do? I think I want to do that. That. And this. I think. So we're going to say component. Oh, not a variant. I don't need a variant. I just want to prototype. So digital marketing, it's just gonna come up here. That's fine. On tap, dissolve. Ease in and out. 300 milliseconds. Physical comes over here. Dissolve, ease in and out. Yep. And then we have events. Cool. All right. Now back to design. Control C. Click in there. Oh, shoot. Click in there. Paste to replace. Paste to replace. Place. Yup. And yup. Alright, now we'll do the same thing for this one. And I could use this one for all three of the marketings. I would just have to go in there to every frame and change the underline and font weight. So this might end up being a little bit quicker. That's how we did it last time. This time is a little bit different, just to make it faster on myself so I don't have to tweak every little frame. So that's why I'm doing that. Back to prototype. Get marketing, digital. Yep. Physical. Yep. And then events and promos. Yep. Cool. Back to design. Grab this whole thing. And here we go. Paste into replacing. Here we go. That. Let's see. This is the last one. We gotta make that a component. We gotta make prototypes here for digital. Or physical. And for events and promos. Yep. Grab it all. And let's paste these to replacees. There we go. Make sure I did it. Cool. All right, and then on to branding for the same story. One. Two. Three. There we go. All right. So branding. First things first. We're gonna grab all of these prototypes. So we're gonna systems and kits, organizations, and then products. Hell yeah. Then same thing over here. What the hell? Oh, it's not a component yet. There we go. Now we can products, organizations, systems and kits. Done. Thing. Systems and kits. Organizations. And products. Alright. Back to design. We have everything all set up now. Hey, Record Dark. Appreciate that follow. Hope you're having a good Friday. So far, we're just working on this Sharpen app. Let's show you what we've got. So we've made 5 frames for each prompt category, and there's 3 categories for like products and UX. We'll have like physical, digital, and then experimental for that. Then marketing, same thing. We have 3 categories for marketing and then 5 frames on each category to make them, you know, seem random when you play through it. Then what we're doing now, shoot. We are making this header interactive so we can switch between that. We're prototyping that right now. And I can give you a quick taste of what this prototype is looking like. I just have to remember where I was so we can continue. But let's check it out. Let's check it out. It works pretty well so far. Pretty well. And man, I still think these buttons are so sweet. I love that they're see-through. So we have this. If we hit new challenge, we get a new challenge. Pretty sweet. You can favorite. You can lock, you can unlock. I'll leave that one favorited for now. You can switch categories to physical products and get new challenges for that. You can switch over to like marketing or branding and it works the same. So it's been pretty good. I think we're doing some work. So it all feels functional. The only thing we really have left is to just kind of really quickly design a profile menu, like what happens when you click that. Can you see your saved prompts? Thanks. Thanks, man. It's really just a direct one-to-one copy of their website. I don't know if you're familiar with Sharpen.design, but let's see here. So our prompt was just to make them a text-based app, but their app's already text-based. So let me go to Sharpen.design. And it looks like identical to what I've done, really. I haven't done anything, like I didn't design any of this. I just basically copied what they've done. But instead of making it a web app, I made it a mobile app and changed its orientation to landscape to kind of mimic desktop. So I didn't do anything. I just was making their systems work. Just practicing, you know. So it looks and acts the exact same, I think, as what I'm working with. They have like a nice little GIF in the background. GIF. I'll say it both ways just to not piss off everybody. Or piss off everybody, I don't know. But yeah, they have like kind of a nice little interesting thing happening in the background all the time that I haven't replicated. And it seems, oh, it's persistent. That's actually sweet. That has to be back in. There's no way I can mimic that in Figma. But yeah, it's basically the exact same thing. I've been remaking it in Figma. Okay, you're familiar with Sharpen? Sweet, 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 sweet. Yeah, I love it. I really like Sharpen. It's super cool. So all I've done is basically build a mobile app for it instead of a web app. You know, not a big deal, but it's been fun. It's been really fun. And I think they do a lot of cool things. Like one of my favorite things they do is that transparent button for its default state. And then when you hover it, it changes to a fill. It's so clean. I think it's so cool. They did such a good job with that. Alright, where was I? I was over here trying to paste to replace these. I think I already got this whole section pasted to replasted. Yeah, nice. Did we do it over here? Have not. Alright, gotta paste to replace these so that these will be functional. Come on. Oh no, you clicked too far. How could you? It doesn't work in portrait mode yet. I have not made that like that functionality. I started out, hold on. Let me finish this row and then I'll show you. Cause I started it off in portrait and I was like, I don't like at all the way this fits on the page. So I just flipped it to make it more familiar. Alright. Where's that first page? Create an outdoor ad. Oh, that was kind of our first. Yeah, okay, this is where I started, and I was gonna have all of these pages, and then just looking at the way the header and then their text popped up, and there's only like one other button I needed on the page. I was like, I love negative space, but this ain't it, chief. So it fills the page way more if you just flip it 90 degrees. So that was where I was at on that. I tried it. I tried some different fonts and stuff, but there's just, I tried spacing these differently to get it to fill more, and I didn't really like it too much. So we'll see. Last row here. What you been working on recently, man? You got any fun projects you're doing? Oh my gosh, if I could just click what I need. There we go, we got it. No more clicking. Sometimes it's 3 clicks, sometimes it's 4, and it's just, sometimes it's 6 or 8. What the hell? There we go. That's it. Sweet. Not a UX UI designer, I just know a bit about this. I'm not gonna lie, UX UI looks amazing, interesting. Yeah, my friend got me into it, and it's something that I feel like if you're not a UX UI designer, you can still notice bad design, but I've never really separated out like menus or UI or buttons as like an impressive or interesting thing until I started doing it and working with a friend of mine. And then I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna do this all the time. So my mornings now are just, I wake up and I just practice around with Sharpen Prompts and Figma, because I love creating buttons and making things move, man. It's really interesting. This part, the prototype, if you select everything, this reminds me of like audio engineering. So much, man. It's like, this is my keyboard, I need effects routed to it, so this is gonna be my like this is gonna be my reverb pedal, this one's gonna go over here and be, you know, a distortion pedal just a little bit, and then an exciter pedal or something. Like, it just very much looks like an audio rack mount, and I love it. I think it's so cool. For a sec I was thinking your prototype arrow was so clean. Yeah, it's that is where I'm at right now. So that's like 1/3 of the prototype interactions. But man, yeah, I don't know. I like tinkering with things. So this has all been really fun. And figuring out how to make things behave how you want them to is like the puzzly side that also is really fun. So yeah, it's working pretty well. The only other thing I need to do is add a profile, because nothing right now happens if we hit on our profile. So now everything else should be working. All of those we can click between, changes the weight and underlines, makes sense. We can change between these prompts or prompt categories. You can get new prompts on anything. So everything works except for our profile. Whoa, and our profile is the exact same size as my finger. Wow. So yeah, I need to make that clickable, and then we'll have probably a slide out menu right here that would just say maybe sign out and saved prompts. Right? Like, I don't think we need much more than that. So, do I already have a simple profile? Yeah, cool. do this. Let me grab this frame will work. Drag this up. We'll call this menu. And then we'll rotate it 90 degrees. So let's see. If that's the whole frame, this is on there. I probably want the menu to be like maybe a third. So let's make a rectangle same size. Cool. And then let's see, width, I'm gonna say times, oh shit, that's not times 0.33. There we go, that'll do. That's about a third, right? About a third, just about. Not quite perfect, but good enough for me for this. Okay, so I want it to say actually I need it to be should have brought it over with a one that actually this will work better. So we have the menu there, we're gonna have this up there. I feel like I should make it, whoa, why is that happening? Oh, it's not in the same group anymore, is it? Or is it? Template 5? Yeah, it is. I don't know why it's behaving like that. So how wide is this? 74? I'm gonna go over here and take 74 off the height. I can drag that down. I feel like that feels weird to me, but we'll see where we go with it. We'll see where we go with it. So the text is gonna be saved prompts and or favorited. Or just say my prompts. My prompts. And then sign out, maybe. Sign out. And honestly, this looks very, very, very large for what I need it to be. This is 2 words. It's like 2 words. So then, how do we want to make that look? That's too big. Unless we just go way over here. Say 32 from that. And then bring that up to 32 as well. Not you, Windows key. Get out of here. 32 by 32. Definitely need the weight to change. Are we using enter for all of these? Yep. So we're gonna fix that to bold. Semi-bold? Semi-bold? Right, maybe? Semi-bold it is. Let's go. I'm gonna have a sip of coffee, man. Whew. Really knocking it out of the park. Okay, I still think that's a little bit big for... Let's make this like over here, and then drag those to like maybe, do we want to center it? Because now it looks weird to me again. Can I, right, there we go. Hey, that's centered on the thing and aligned on the right of that. 32, 33, I like it. What if we did 24? My prompts, sign out. You can make this much smaller too. 25, what do we do? 24, -1 on that rectangle. That way we don't have to fiddle with it. So we got these two selected, 24, 24, 32, 33. -1 over there too, huh? -1. And are we aligned? We're not. Now we are. So now everything should be centered. My prompts, sign out. I think what we'll do is group these and group this. This is gonna be text options. Rectangle. It's just gonna be menu background. Group these together again. Say menu. And then duplicate that. We're gonna say menu transparent. Transparent. I think. So I'm gonna grab this and then this and then say subtract. And then where's my fuck? I did that to the regular menu instead of my menu transparent. Let's go ahead and drop that one off. I am some kind of stupid. Control Z. I want to say subtract. There we go. And then if we have highlighted, is that what I want? Is that what I want? Okay, so those are no longer separate, are they? Let's see here. Text options, are they? Sign out and prompts. Okay, I can still hover each of those individually. Perfect. So then let me grab menu transparent and menu. I want to group these together so that they're in the same box, I guess. Group. This is going to be the whole menu. I'm just going to title it menu, and then we're going to drag it out. I guess I could leave it there and drag it out so I can paste or replace in a second. Alright. Now, what we have is this menu. They're both visible. I don't really want them to both be visible. I'll slap a red. Whoa, that is way bigger than I'm. We'll make this red so we can see what we're doing. Didn't I do it? Didn't I? Didn't I? Didn't I? Oh, no, I didn't. Alright, and then on top of that, oh, shoot. It's gonna be hard to find my thing. That's way down there. Let's go. There we go, there we go. Okay. So now, okay, you can see that the font is indeed hollow. I like that. Okay. Now, I want to make just that a component, and then I want to make a variant, and then I want to make a variant. So this first one, default. Second one is going to be named prompt. Third one is going to be sign out. Sing out. We just want to be singing all the time. Always singing. I'm in a store and I'm singing. Looks good. Thanks, man. Thank you. Okay, so then if we prototype, that's what I want. I want this one to go to, oh, actually, we don't have a page for that yet. We don't have a page for that. So I want to go down to here on hover. And then stop it. Stop it. That one I want to go down to here while hovering. And then I think they need to be instant. Let's see here, while hovering, instant. Yep. So on this one, we'll change my prompts on menu. Make it visible. Disable that. Okay, dope. But I don't want it to be black. I feel like black is a bad color. We'll do close to black. There we go. My prompts, and then sign out. And then for this one, let me move this background down so you can see what's up. All right, this one for sign out, we want the same thing kind of, except for we're gonna mute that, and then we have sign out selected. Hell yeah. Now I can delete that. Oh, you know what? I need to change that to 383839. And that looks better. Now, let's give it a test. And there's no click states on it yet, so all we'll be able to see is the hover, but the hover should work. The hover should work. It should just shut up and work. Hey, it does. There we go. Nice. So that's with that already open. Now, I want to make that a frame, I believe. And then open it as an overlay. We could do that. We could do that. So I'm gonna drag this out again. Have an instance. It is a frame. So what I want it to do is, let's get rid of that. For now, we don't need it. If we prototype our thing, our little icon right there, on click, not navigate, we want it to open overlay. And then the overlay, we want it manual. Put it right. Right there. Close when clicking outside. Sure. Add a background behind the overlay. And yeah, we're going to put like a... We'll leave it at 25 for now. We can do that. And then we want it to move in that way. Hell yeah. Ease in and out. Cool, 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 cool. Now, let's see what happens if we launch our prototype again. Yeah. So we should be able to click on our dude. Why did it? Didn't we? What? Why did it? Why did it come from that way? What the hell? Help me understand this, because it's doing the opposite. I want it to open the overlay. I want the overlay to come as this arrow is showing from that side. I want it to do that. Let's try this again. What? Okay, let's just for giggles, let's make it go the other way and see if that fixes it. Man, I get so many weird things like that. Yesterday, I was having, maybe it was the day before yesterday. Either way, like, sometimes when you're like, I want it to go down, you click the down arrow and then it goes up, and I don't understand. I cannot wrap my head around why that is inverted. But yeah, there's a couple of things, and it could just be the PC version is like how the mouse scrolls opposite of Mac. I'm used to working on Mac, and it could just be something like that. But I'm not sure, man. Okay, see, this one at least comes from the far side all the way over. Cool. That travels very far. All I want it to do is slide in from the other side. What are you doing? What are you doing? So then let's try this again. Yeah. It does the same thing, but the animation is cut in half. What? No. I'm sorry, what? Let's try something wild. Let's try something insane. Nobody's gonna see this coming. So we don't want this. We're gonna kill that animation. We're gonna drag this. How high is this? 74 high. We got it. We got it. 74. There we go. We're gonna do this. Check this out. Everybody say, fuck Phil. And now we have like this whole this whole menu. Okay, and we'll try this. So when you click on that when you click on that, this is gonna open an overlay. And that overlay is gonna come in from one side. It's gonna come in from the right, appear out of nowhere, as if from nowhere, from the right. Everything else is gonna be hollow. We're gonna have... Oh, damn, I don't know if this is actually gonna work because this whole frame is the same size. We'll see! It's 25% behind this overlay. Ease in, ease out. Look at this animation. It's doing exactly what I want it to do. It's... Wouldn't it be crazy if when I hit prototype, it didn't do that? Huh. Alright, let's see what happens though. I got a good feeling about this one. Kind of. Hey, that's what we wanted. Look at that. Why does that work different? I don't know. It doesn't make any sense. But it works. Heck yeah. Oh, I didn't change it to close when clicking outside. It never closes. Update, damn it. Well, damn it. Let's try that again, because I think I fixed it. Close when clicking outside. Yep. From the top. One more time from the top now. Oh, right. can't close it. Oh, wait. There we go. Huh. Maybe I don't want to close it when it's clicking. Oh, man, I do, but... So if that worked, like, why the hell... If I can drag that to that, I should be able to drag it to... What are you doing here? I want to move you to the frame, This is a frame, yeah, this is a frame. It's a frame. My God, it's a frame. Alright, so we're gonna try this again with the different, I don't know, expecting different results, I guess. So on tap, yes, we want that. I want it to open overlay. I want it to add the background. I want it to close. I want it to be manual. We're gonna place it right there. Exactly right there. And we want it to move in from the right. Yes, just like that. Look at you, you brilliant piece of software. Let's go. Let's go. Let's test it out. That should work. Wouldn't it be crazy if it didn't? It's about to give me the same result it gave me a second ago. No! Why? Why? What on God's flat earth? It just shoots in from the side of, or the middle of the page? It just made that decision? That's not what we said. Sir. Sir, that is just not what we said. Top left. Let's see what happens here, because I feel like, come on. Come on. What do you, oh wow, that's awful. Hey, but it moves in from the right direction. Okay, hold on. There's not a top right, huh? Okay, there is, top right. Okay, check me out. Check me out. Check me out. We're gonna do this. We're gonna add 74. It's gonna revolutionize everything. 74 on the top there. Menu test. So we got that. We got that 74 buffer on the top. This is what we've been needing. So, yup. Now. We can go back into prototype, I think. Look at this. We can top right. That's what we want. We want to slide in from that top right. I want it to come right in there like that bee is just sliding in there from the right. That's exactly it. Now with that buffer on the top, hold on. Yeah, no, we're good. We're good. Let's just throw caution to the wind. Don't even think about it. Don't think too hard. Just try it. Here we go. What? No! What? What do you mean? What do you mean? Did I change it back to centered? Of course I didn't. Of course I didn't. What the hell? Okay, so we're gonna say top left, and almost guaranteed it's gonna work. It's gonna go top left. It's just gonna do it. Click out. God. Oh, everything is falling apart. What's happening though? Everything was going so smooth. So we click that. I don't understand. I don't understand. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We can fake it. We'll just do this. Sheesh. We're just gonna drag this back over here. That's gonna be our menu. And we want it to just center. It's fine. Open that overlay, move it in. 300 milliseconds on tap. And this is gonna work, isn't it? It's just, not as clean. It's just not quite as clean. Animation wise, it's perfect. But the problem here is you have to click outside of it to close it. And with this solution, this is all a box. It's just hidden. So you're still clicking on something. You're not clicking outside the box. So that's the downside to rigging it that specific way. But we can make it work. We can make that work. And we'll just set it to say when you click on, let's see here. You click this, you click sign out. We just want to close overlay, back. On tap, back. There we go. So we should be able to close it by just sitting sign out. Let's see. Huh. Maybe I don't want back. Maybe I want to say close overlay. On tap, close overlay. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Okay. Haha. Much better. So I'm gonna do my prompts. How do we want that to look? Got one page left. We can do it. So I'm gonna grab another empty frame here. This will be saved prompt. 90 degrees. There we go. So then are we just gonna like copy pasta a couple of these and then change the Come on, I just want that. There we go. There we go. You know, I am gonna need a background color for this. But I also want to change these to like 24. Yeah, probably. At least. So saved prompts, your fill color is gonna be like blue for now. Group that and say prompt 1. Prompt 1. Whoa, I'm scrolling everywhere except for where I want to scroll. Cool, so we have that. Let's go grab another one. Wait, what the hell? Didn't I change it to 24? Oh, I changed it to 34? What a dunce. What a dunce. Design a branded gift bag. There we go. Group prompt 2. Then bring that down. How far away should we put that? Another 32, 16. $24. 24 looks all right. Paste here. 24. Oh, you know what? I should have grouped them first. Group prompt 3. There we go. All right, move that up just a little bit. Definitely don't need it to be that long. And here we go. That might be good. Then 2 more, huh? Maybe just 1 more. Let's grab just 1 more good one. A branded mug for a pizza shop. Obviously. Pizza. Paste here. 24-point font. Group that. Prompt 4. Prompt 5, actually. Prompt 5. And then we'll move this up. That. Bring old borders in. Let's see. That's good. That's good. Now, I'm going to group all this stuff. Actually, I'm not going to group it yet. I'm just going to drag it down to the bottom. Want it to be about 32. I think. We'll see. I want to grab a mock header. Where's the whole header? There it is. And then maybe we do that too. We have that. Cool. Now, yeah, let's move this up again. And I think we want it to be like 32 from that. Yeah. Then one last thing for this. Reuse our star. So these are all saved. Now the star can mean here. Complete or something, you know? So that's 16 apart. Is that too big? Here. Whoop, whoop. Hopefully we have enough space. Let's see here. Paste here. Oh God, I don't. It's only 11. That music get loud as hell? What happened? What's my OBS think about it? Oh, it's fine. Alright. We're fine with that. So let's make this maybe 32 by 32. And then, let's see, how far away is that? 26? Like 12 is probably fine for those. I'm afraid that's still not gonna be... Oh shit. That Windows key screws me. Okay, that's definitely... Okay, it was. I was definitely on the wrong button. So let's go grab all this again. Windows key, I swear to God, you pop up one more time. And you're getting the band hammer. We're 46 away now. Let's go back to 32. And that looks much better. Okay, so we're gonna grab that, center. Grab that, center. Let's go. And that's what that is gonna look like. Cool. Maybe I take this away. Let's see here. For this part, because we don't really want it to go there. We have, let's see here. Maybe I take that out too. And then what do I want to do? I want to make that prototype here go over to the first. We're just gonna take it home. And let's see, dissolve, ease in and out, 300 milliseconds. Okay, so let's prototype it. Why are those all big? Oh, yeah, that's weird. I don't know why it loaded in big. That's alright. So we can finish all of those. There is still that problem. we had 33 on that side. Ooh. What does that look like? Still blocked. Thank you, iPhone. Let's go 16 from there then. That should be fine. That should be fine, because there's nothing really overlapping over there. Yeah, alright, cool. I think that's good. Now, let's see. Which one was the one that had the, that's the interactive one. Let's see. Need to copy that. Is that even a component? Did we make that a component? How is that even supposed to work? Control C. Copy that guy. And then I'm gonna have to paste and replace him in every single thing, I'm afraid. Let's see. Oh boy. We're getting there. We're getting there. And we're almost done with our project. Once we get this rigged, I think I may have missed one interaction that I just have to do on one component, and it should fix it for everything. About halfway done with the replacing here. Ah! Whew! Nice. Okay, 3 more columns to go. We're really doing it. We're really doing it. My left hand is gonna be so sore from this weird claw grip I have on my keyboard right now. Yeah, it would have definitely been smarter to do this first. What are you gonna do? Oh my god, was that it? Did we do it? Oh my god, we did it. Okay, and then the last thing I wanted to prototype was saying that if you click on my prompts, if you click on it, I want it to open up this. On tap, navigate to dissolve. There we go. Ease in and out. For sure. And then we have sharpen as a link out to get out of there. Okay, so let's try our flow here. Everything should work. Everything should be functional. We are on products, UX, digital products. Yep. You can switch to different categories and you can get prompts in that category. Switch to a different type of design, different categories in that. Oh, that's weird. Why is that happening? I'm not really sure there, but okay. There's a start, a favorite, a prompt, and then menu-wise, my prompts. Wait, what? No, there was an interaction there. We had that already programmed. What the hell? On tap? Navigate to? Sure, maybe that'll work. Does that work? There we go. Okay. And then we can get back that way. Perfect. Okay. We got that working. Was there something else I was about to do? I feel like there was one other thing. Oh, yeah, there is. So, for some reason, generate is doing the wrong thing. Or my new challenge button. Going to the wrong place. I forgot that I'd never changed these back. So real quick, and then everything will act as I intended. Good stuff. Good stuff. Great work, everybody. Heck yeah. Everybody said we couldn't do it. All right, that's it. Let's test that one more time. So it was branding and marketing that were messed up, and now they should be fixed. They should be fixed. So let's go marketing. Yes. Okay, and branding. I don't know what that line is, but just ignore it. Yes. All right, and then that works. Yup, that works. Hell yeah. Try these again. Dude, we did it. We freaking did it. That's not a link unless you are in my prompts, and then you can get out that way. I think we nailed this. That is super clean. Everything works as intended. That took some finagling, but I think it works really well. I'm proud of it. We spent about 5 hours on this, so it didn't take too long. honestly, the biggest time sink was putting all of the text in there. Even with like our auto layout and our template, like it just took a long time because we have so many frames. But all those frames, you know, more or less necessary in my opinion to kind of give the illusion of being randomly generated. So I think job well done. I'm calling that one done. I didn't think we would get through the profile part today, and that part, you know, we did. That was more out of our own head than just a direct copy of what they had. But yeah, you know, that was rushed. That could be cleaned up all day, every day, but it's basically the end of the project, and that, I guess, could be argued that it is part of the project, but really, I wanted this to be functional, and it's functional. I'm really proud of it. So, man, Dark, thanks for hanging out today, man. Appreciate you chatting. Hope you have a great rest of your weekend. I'm gonna call it here, and we'll probably be back. Probably be back on Monday at around 9 a.m. Mountain Time. So set your calendar, your reminders. I don't know what we'll be doing. We'll have to pick out a new prompt and get started on that, but it should be good. So I'm going to sign off for the day. If you're out there hanging out, thank you for hanging out, and I'll see you on Monday. Have a good weekend.